Looking for the best portable camping stoves in 2026? In this video, we review the top compact, lightweight, and high-performance camping stoves perfect for backpacking, hiking, and outdoor adventures. Whether you need fast boiling, fuel efficiency, or rugged durability, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect stove to upgrade your camping gear and make outdoor cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable on your next adventure. Number 3. The Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove is a reliable and budget-friendly choice for campers, tailgaters, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Built with durable alloy steel, this portable stove offers a solid balance of performance, convenience, and ease of use. With 22,000 total BTUs of cooking power, it delivers enough heat for everything from quick boiling to full meal preparation. Its dual adjustable burners allow precise temperature control, making it easy to simmer or cook at high heat. The improved knob rotation enhances control, while the two wind guards help protect the flame in breezy conditions, an essential feature for outdoor use. Setup is quick and straightforward, and a heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed during transport. Weighing just 5 pounds, the Triton is lightweight and easy to carry, with a compact folding design that makes it perfect for car camping or picnics. The chrome-plated grate is removable, simplifying cleanup after cooking. It comfortably fits standard 10-inch and 12-inch cookware, offering versatility for different meal types. Users appreciate its fast heating, ease of use, and portability. One reviewer noted how quickly it boils water and praised its simple design without unnecessary components. Another highlighted its effectiveness in windy conditions and overall durability. While not ideal for backpacking due to its size, the Coleman Triton is a dependable and practical stove for casual outdoor adventures. Number 2. The Camp Chef Everest 2X 2-burner camping stove stands out as a powerful and dependable option for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Built with rugged alloy steel, this propane stove is designed to handle demanding camping conditions while delivering consistent performance. With dual burners producing a combined 40,000 BTUs, it heats quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for everything from boiling water to cooking full meals. One of its strongest features is the impressive heat output. Each burner delivers up to 20,000 BTUs, giving you excellent control for both high-heat cooking and gentle simmering. The matchless ignition system ensures fast and hassle-free startups, while the folding lid with built-in windscreen keeps flames steady even in breezy environments. The stove offers a spacious 215 square inch cooking area, large enough to accommodate 2 pans at once, making meal prep easy for groups. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable drip tray, and the integrated carry handle adds to its portability. Users consistently praise its durability and power. One reviewer described it as the boss of camp stoves, highlighting its fast heating and strong wind protection. Another user shared that even after a hard fall, the stove continued to function perfectly. While the side-mounted propane attachment can feel slightly awkward, overall performance and reliability make this stove an excellent long-term investment for campers. Number 1. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp Stove Cooking System is a premium solution for campers who want reliable, high-performance outdoor cooking without the hassle of traditional fire setups. Designed as a portable dual-burner stove, it delivers impressive versatility. Use it as a standalone unit or expand your setup with JetLink-compatible accessories for a full camp kitchen experience. With 10,000 BTUs per burner, this stove provides powerful heat output, capable of boiling 1 liter of water in just over 3 minutes. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or cooking hearty meals, the adjustable flame control offers excellent precision. It performs well even in colder conditions, making it a dependable choice for year-round adventures. The compact, foldable design is another standout feature. The burners neatly nest into the included cookware, saving valuable packing space. The kit includes a 10-inch ceramic-coated nonstick fry pan, a 5-liter flux ring pot with a strainer lid, windscreen, fuel regulator, and a convenient carry bag, everything needed for group cooking outdoors. User feedback highlights its practicality and convenience. One camper shared how they even cooked lobster tails with ease, while another praised the system for eliminating the need to build a fire, making camp cooking faster and more enjoyable. Overall, the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp is an excellent investment for campers seeking efficiency, portability, and gourmet-level cooking in the wilderness. Thanks for watching our 2026 portable camping stove review. Fire if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews and camping tips. Let us know which stove is your favorite or what you'd like us to review next. Check the description for links and deals. Until next time, stay prepared, stay adventurous, and enjoy every moment in the great outdoors.